What's up, guys, and Everyday Canadian? We're doing something a little bit different. Tasha picked up one of these discovery kits. It's got gemstones in it. It's you dig your own gemstones. You can uncover 11 real gemstones in it. You can even get a diamond inside, so I thought that was really cool. And we're just going to have some fun and play around with it for you guys. So let's get opening it.
What's the setup time?
It actually says 5 minutes right there to set it all up.
That's the French side, but it's okay.
5 minutes, guys.
Perfect.
So I think this is really cool. We did a video like this before. It's called Dig. You basically get like cool rocks, gold or
Lay it
silver.
down.
So let's open this up, and you get inside a nice little poster. That's really cool. Tells you all the different types of gemstones. Hopefully that's not the French.
That's the French side.
This is not the French side. So if that kind of, you know, you can hang up on your wall. Tells you the different things.
Okay.
So we got that. That's really neat. What other goodies are in here? Having some trouble getting this out. Oh, there's a little board right here you gotta pull out. Whoa. So, is that everything? That's everything. So, we get some stuff right here. Just give me my little knife right here, and we'll cut this open for you guys.
Are you gonna wear your goggles?
I'm gonna wear my goggles. So as you guys can see, there's a little goggle kit right there. Get our knife out. We'll undo this. Wow, that's a heavy brick. Whew. Ugh, I can't cut it. Okay, we got it. All right. So we got a heavy brick. We got some goggles. Basically tells you how to wear it. Blah blah blah. You know, so it comes with goggles, a paintbrush. There's stones inside the brick. Ceramic streak plate. Did we get that?
Yeah, right here.
Okay. Wooden chisel and magnifying glass. We got a little magnifying glass right here. So that's really cool. Probably get some good shots with the camera for you guys. Can't seem to open anything. Be careful with these. Make sure you guys have an adult with you.
Where's your magnifying glass?
There's a magnifying glass. Can you see through it? Can you see?
Yeah, I can see you, yeah.
And then you get a little paintbrush or a duster. And then, I don't know what this, there's like a little ceramic piece right here. I don't know what that's for. It says ceramic streak plate.
It's to clean the gems off on it.
Like the
To
shaver?
rub the stuff off, yeah.
Okay. So, safety first. Hurts my face.
Let me see, look at my hand.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna do the whole thing right. So yes. So we got this little brick.
Little.
Well, it's pretty heavy, and as you can see, it says Discovery right on
that.
it. We got a chisel, little wooden chisel, and a little hammer. So let's cut this open. Once again, if you have a knife or something, make sure you have an adult. Apparently, I'm an adult and I can't get this open. There we go. Now, make sure you have something underneath so that you have your area is pretty clean.
Those goggles are just too funny on you.
Yeah?
Alright.
So, yeah, we get chiseling. I think these are little kid goggles because they're hurting my face. So, yeah, grab your chisel and start going. Wow, that's loud. It's almost like
Clay?
It's almost like clay.
You want to try breaking it in half and then turn the camera back on? Oh, there we go.
We'll get the sides off going, or chisel a little bit so you guys get the idea. So we're chiseling some chunks off. for you guys so you guys can see each and every one.
Oh, that one's got a cool design in it.
You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
This one's like a beautiful orange one. There you go. Wow, there's a whole bunch in here. This is exciting. Wow. This one's white.
That one's clear.
Yeah, it's a diamond maybe.
That one's clear.
This one's clear too. There's two right there. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. I can't get it. It's very suspense right now, guys. I've hit my hand like 5 times. Oh my goodness.
So far we got 4.
We need a diamond. Oh, it fell out. Here we go. There's another one. It's hurting my eyes. What does a diamond even look like? Found 2 more.
You found 2 more?
Yeah, they're right there.
Oh, it's got stuff on it too. Pink to it. That one's pure clear. Literally, it's like clear. This one's more like
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
Doing it. So go out and try this. I'll leave a link where you actually can get this.
it's $14.97 at Walmart.
And it's got an online Discovery Kids where you can actually go and get a bunch of different stuff from the actual site too. So that was really fun. We're gonna have to do more of these. And we got a huge poster out of it. So that was really neat. That's going on the wall. So if you enjoyed the video, big thumbs up. Follow me on social media, Facebook and Twitter. This is an Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys. That's so neat.